Hello children. Next topic is linear magnification denoted by the small m. We know the entire thing of the depending upon the position of an object in front of the any type of lens. We already know what type of image is forming. It is not sufficient information. Apart from that, we will get to what is the size of the image also. Whether it is increased size or decreased size depending upon the position of an object. The entire concept is related to the linear magnification. Linear magnification is the ratio of length of image perpendicular to the principal axis to the length of the object. The ratio of the length of the image perpendicular distance from the principal axis to the length of the corresponding object is called as a magnification denoted by the symbol small m. Next, the relation between the magnification, object distance and image distance is linear magnification. M equals to length of the image divided by length of the object. That equals to V divided by U. V is the image distance, next to U is the object distance. We will derive this equation with the help of the both the type of lenses. Here, for derivation, I am taking the two diagrams, convex and concave. In both cases also image is forming depending upon the position of an object. I am taking the ray diagrams also. With the help of that one, two rays pass through the convex lens, image is forming. A1, B1 is the image. It is a negative means image is inverted. It is above the principal axis. Here it is also above the principal axis. Image also above the principal axis. It is also positive. With the help of these two diagrams, we will derive the equation for the linear magnification. Next, continuation of the derivation with the help of these two diagrams. In case of convex and again concave also. In figure, if you take any diagram, triangle ABO and triangle A1B1O are similar triangle, are identical. Observe here, ABO and again OB1A1. Is these two triangles are identical and also similar, so that B1A1 divided by AB equals to OB1 divided by OB. That is B1A1 divided by BA or AB, that equals to OB1 divided by OB. Call it as equation number 1. For in the case of the convex lens, by using same convention, B1A1 is nothing but the image here. Here the real means negative below the principal axis, so that minus I. BA is nothing but the AB. It is object, it is a positive. Next to OB1 is nothing but the distance from the O to B1, it is an image distance. V it is a right hand side, so that it is a positive. And OB is nothing but the object distance from here to here, it is a left hand side of the optical center, so that minus U. From equation 1, apply B1A1 is nothing but the what is it here? Minus I divided by AB is nothing but the object along with the sign, that equals to OB1 is V divided by OB is nothing but the minus U. That equals to, if you cancel left hand side right hand side with the minus, then image divided by object equals to the V divided by U. That is the magnification, linear magnification for the convex lens. Similarly for concave lens, by using the same convention, observe here, object is AB, same, U is nothing but the optical center to the object. Next optical center to the B1, it is nothing but the image, it is also negative. It is height. This is the object height positive, image height also positive because of the erected image. So that B1A1 is nothing but the, it is also positive I, image. AB is nothing but the object, it is also positive. OB1 is nothing but the image distance, so it is negative because left hand side of the optic center, and OB is also the negative only because of the left hand side of the corresponding optic center. So that from equation 1, observe here, A1 B1 is nothing but the I divided by AB is nothing but the O, that equals to again OB1 is nothing but the minus V divided by OB is nothing but the minus U. Here numerator and denominator minus get cancelled, so that image divided by object equals to the V minus Y divided by U. Means here the case in both the cases of the convex and concave lens also, the linear magnification, height of the image divided by height of the object, or length of the image divided by length of the object, the perpendicular to the principal axis, it is value is V divided by U. That ratio is same for both convex and concave lens respectively. We will solve some problems related to this one, then easily understand the what is the linear magnification, whether it is increasing the size or decreasing the size depending upon the position of an object in front of the both the type of lenses.